Hello world! Wow! What a place to be as what we can see on the face of Kevin Lutoff on how he was satisfied on the ambience of the place. It's simple but elegant. As to what Kevin captioned of his post, unforgettable evening with friends at Sudaka, Zurich's newest culinary gem. This Isaka blend Japanese precision with vibrant flavors from Europe, Asia and Latin America, offering a fusion dining experience. Located at Militärstraße 114, Sudaka chic interior and amazing service set the perfect backdrop for a memorable night out. Walk-ins are welcome and no reservation are needed for drinks and snacks at the bar. Great for spontaneous night out. Can't wait to return and explore more of their innovative menu. Definitely my new place to be. See you there. As to what Kevin said. Oh yeah, what an amazing and definitely an unforgettable moment. So guys, all of you out there, what are we all waiting for? Let's go and feel it. Happy day everyone! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!